Hello, I am Matthew Quade. I am the CEO of TSL. Here at IBC, the exciting news for TSL is the launch of Hummingbird, our interoperable ecosystem of control and monitoring applications and interfaces. Within the AV community, you may regularly be dealing with theatres, conference rooms or auditoriums. Everybody is going to have their central apparatus rooms, data centres, perhaps you've got your meeting rooms, etc. To give you an idea of what Hummingbird can offer for you, at TSL we provide PDUs that go within your racks for your central apparatus room to intelligently distribute and manage power across your facility. We also supply SNMP remote monitoring, both remotely and on premise. And if you were to look at what we can offer in, say, an auditorium, we can do everything from lighting presets, video wall control, presenter and microphone control, PTZ camera control, and so on. And we can do this across multiple technologies, so we can integrate across SDI, NDI, and ST2110. Another example would be in meeting rooms, where we can offer lighting control, display controls, and digital signage. And you may be looking to implement a small corporate studio, where again we can do PTZ and robotic camera control, presenter controls, intercoms, etc. So the key thing for TSL and for the launch of our Hummingbird platform is that what we offer is an interoperability across multiple vendors' technologies and across multiple standards in both SDI and IP. And the other great thing that Hummingbird offers you is a selection of both hard and, for example here, soft panel interfaces to enable you to control all those various endpoints from one unified interface, making your operators' lives a lot easier. So at TSL, in addition to Hummingbird, we also offer a range of both essential and intelligent managed power distribution units, all of which integrate into that concept of centralised interoperable control and monitoring. The intelligent managed units enable an engineer anywhere around the world to be able to monitor and manage his power distribution across multiple facilities and rack rooms from one central location, saving on both engineering time and money. So for TSL at IBC here, that's a summary of what we can offer the AV integration community. If you're further interested in finding out more, please visit tslproducts.com.